Hello everybody, this is Roll with Window Bros. In this very quick video demonstration, we're going to help you out and show you how to make GIMP work in single window mode, which some people may like the floating panels and stuff, but we tend to like the single window mode. So we'll go ahead and get started. When you start up your version of GIMP, does it look like this? You've got the image panel, you got these floating layers panel, the floating toolbox. And it's like everything's kind of in a hard place and you got to always rearrange it, or you can go fix it where you want, and then you can go to edit preferences, maybe then when it comes up, do your window management. There it is, and you can save this way. But what we found is we like our stuff not floating. That way we can maximize, minimize, and all that stuff all the time. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take our version of GIMP here. We're going to really quickly get it set up. And we also prefer our toolbox on the left, so we're going to stick it over here. We'll stick the image here in the middle. And we'll stick our layers box over here on the right. Now if this works right, basically you go up here on the menu bar to Windows, and there's a single window mode right there. And you just can click it, and it should build GIMP the way you just had it laid out. Let me maximize it. There you go. So you got our toolbox on the left, we got our layers on the right, and of course in the middle here's our image panel. So now whenever we're going to close the GIMP, and we'll reopen it back up. Here we go. And it should come back in single window mode the way we laid it out. Oops, it went to the other screen. Hang on, we'll just pull it right back over here and maximize it. And there it is. So this is nice to have this set up for most people. I mean, not most people, but some people may like this, and it's just we like it. It's more convenient. We showed in another video. We'll just go ahead and show you quick. But sometimes if you happen to have a floating box like this and you don't like it, you can, if you notice it says you can drop a dockable dialog down here, so just grab the tab part of this and you can stick it there and it'll go back. Because sometimes you might be clicking here and it pops out accidentally, like, oh no, how do I get it back? Just drag its tab into that section and it'll go right back in there. We hope you enjoyed this video presentation and have a great day.